Hi everyone, myself Dinesh, assistant professor working at SNS College of Technology, mechanical department. Okay, in our previous video, we saw what is IoT and AI and ML and how it's used in our manufacturing or production process. Okay, in this video, we are going to see some of the other advanced technologies used in manufacturing and also in production, which are related to industry 4.0. Okay, so the third one which we are going to see is big data and analytics. Okay, first we have to know what a big data is. Okay, in the name itself we know the big data, that means a vast amount of data is what we call it as a big data. Okay, analytics is analyzing all those big data to improve our efficiency is what we call it as analytics. Okay, for example, let's take a situation. In a classroom there are 60 students approximately, and each and everyone have been using mobile phones, and minimum there will be 5 social media will be in each and every student's account. Okay, for example, a student is using Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, like that. Let's take any 5 type of social media apps. Okay, for one day, a student will at least send or save minimum 10 number of datas. Okay, let's assume that. Okay, that means for one day there are 60 students. How many datas will be there? There will be 600 datas in a single classroom. Okay, then for 1 week what will happen? It will be into 7, that means it will be around 420 datas. Okay, then what will happen for 5 years? What will happen for 10 years? So the number of datas will be keep on growing. Okay, the example is given only for one class. Then what about a whole college? What about the whole district? What if we consider the whole world? So per day, how many datas are there? Will the datas increase or reduce? So answering these questions, obviously the datas will keep on coming, and we have been saving the datas, and it will be a big growth in the datas. Okay, so by keeping all those datas, what's the use? First we have to analyze them, and we have to give a productive output by recognizing the datas. Okay, for example, if you take a certain company's growth or the efficiency, by keep on tracing the company, we can tell how it will works. Okay, that is how the stocks, we will get the stock or we will sell the stock. Okay, that's why big data and analytics are very much important. Okay, so at the same time we have to know that what is analytics. Okay, it's a two words, analysis and analytics. Okay, first we have to understand the difference. The analytics is something which we work on the future. Okay, by predicting the future things is what we call it as analytics, and analysis is something which we work with the past one. Okay, if an accident or some crime scene happened in a certain place, the police will go there and they will investigate. Okay, that we call it as the police analysis the situation. We never say that the police analytics the situation, right? That's what analysis is. It's about talking the past. But when it's come to the analytics, it's about predicting the future. For example, most of the companies will analytics so that they will get improve in the productivity. Okay, for example, a simple example is weather prediction. Okay, they will tell in our morning news, they will tell will it rain or not. That's what we call it as analytics. Okay, so analytics also play a major role in the manufacturing business. Thank you.